Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking over some expected probability. Really fancied a Kinder Bueno last night, hence the context of this question. But let's begin. So a shop orders Kinder Buenos in boxes of 20. Now I'm going to squiggly underline this bit. The reason why I'm underlining it like that rather than highlighting it is generally if you've got a number written out in words, you don't usually need to use it. Sometimes you do, but a lot of the time we don't, and I don't want to have it too in my face to make me think I definitely need to use it. I'm going to make sure I'm still aware of it in case I do need it, but I'm not going to fully highlight it. The probability of a box containing at least one crushed Bueno is 0.12. In a delivery of 60 boxes, 9 of them contained at least one crushed Bueno. Is this more or less than expected? Use your working justifier answer. So the first thing we want to do, we want to find out how much we would expect to be broken in that 60 boxes. So I expect, and I'm going to take that 60, so I'm going to take the total amount I have, and I'm going to times it by my probability. So I expect 60 times 0.12, so 60 times 0.12, which is 7.2 boxes to have at least one crushed Bueno. Now, I'm expecting 7.2, so, either 7 or 8, somewhere within that region. But I'm told 9 boxes contained at least one crushed Bueno. So, this is more than expected. Since that 9 is more than 7.2. Could even be mathsy, right? 9 is more than 7.2. And that's all you need to do for it. Okay, so next question then. So a supermarket orders tins of food in boxes of 30. So again, I'm going to squiggly underline that. But as you saw in the last question, we didn't use it. We're probably not going to be using it here as well. The probability of a box containing at least one dented tin was 0.15. In a delivery of 40 boxes, 5 boxes contained at least one dented tin. Is this more or less than expected? So again, I expect that total amount times the 0.15 to give me 6. So I expect 6 boxes to have at least one dented tin. Now, I have 5 boxes that had one dented tin. I expect 6, so that means this is less than expected. Since 5 is less than 6, or 5 less than 6. Okay, I think I have one more example. Yep, I do. So, a baker bakes profiteroles in batches of 12. The probability of at least one profiterole not cooking properly is 0.1 3. A baker bakes 12 batches. 5 batches had at least one profiterole not cooking properly. Is this more or less than expected? Justify your answer. So again, first we want to find out how much we expect to not have baked properly within the 12. So I expect that 12 times 0.3, which is going to be 4, I believe. I'll just quickly, not 4, what am I saying? That would be 0.3 recurring. It's going to be 3.6. So I expect 3.6 batches to contain at least one profiterole not cooking properly. And so we expect 3.6, but we have 5 batches that have at least one profiterole not cooking properly. So that is more than expected. Since 5 is more than 3.6. And we do need that numerical comparison again. Whenever you see the word justify, you have to use the numbers you've worked out to back your answer. Okay, so let me know if there are any issues, but that's all you need to do for expected probability.